Domino Logic is more than a logic challenge. It's also a fun and flexible educational tool. With Puzzle Maker Pro, you can create puzzles that help children recognize patterns, match colors or shapes, and develop early reasoning skills. Smaller sets create smaller grids with only a few tiles, ideal for younger learners. They can practice observation and matching without being overwhelmed. Children respond well to visual cues. For example, choose the color plus shape option, which overlays simple geometric shapes, circles, squares, triangles, on top of each color, adding variety and aiding recognition. If your students are learning the alphabet, switch to letters as your content type. With colored letters, they get additional clues. Enable sketch lines for a friendly, hand-drawn look. You can always zoom in, using the mouse wheel, to get a better look at the details of the generated puzzle. To focus on reasoning, you can create colored domino puzzles, even for older kids, and add shapes to the colors for variety or to make the puzzles a bit easier to solve. I hope this tutorial helps you to get better results with Puzzle Maker Pro, Domino Logic. If you don't have it yet, it is included in the free demo version of Puzzle Maker Pro.